Tilt Engage Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people assume Tilt cards are just standard prepaid or debit cards, but the Tilt Engage card offers a unique approach to rewards and business expense management. The surprising truth is that it's designed for small business owners and independent contractors who need control, flexibility, and cashback on everyday expenses. The card allows you to earn cashback on purchases, with higher rates for categories like travel and dining. It integrates with the Tilt app, which offers real-time tracking, budgeting tools, and alerts to manage spending effectively. Employee cards with adjustable limits are also available, making it simple to track team expenses. Tilt also emphasizes transparency, no hidden fees, and easy access to transaction history. This makes reconciling expenses or preparing taxes far simpler for small businesses. The downside? It doesn't offer high-end travel perks or premium rewards, and interest rates can be higher than traditional credit cards if balances are carried. Verdict: worth it for small business owners seeking practical rewards and expense control. Leave it if you want luxury perks or lower APRA.